about enhancing your skills and ideas through the help of other people. And good news, because we will be having a participants who answer the following questions.
Good day, ma'am and sir. Have a great day. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Jared Rodel Ubas, 25 years old. I live in Brockree, Cebu, Ligabuyan, Kapalong, Davao del Norte. I am a chef in a cruise ship, but as for now, I'm on a vacation. I'm here to answer the following questions, which are first, describe the nature of my works and rules, also responsibilities and duties. Second, what are the challenges I've encountered while doing my job. Third one, how did I cope up all of the challenges. And the last one is what advice can I give to the future tourism professionals?
And our first questions will be, describe the nature of your work, the rules, the responsibilities, and the tasks as a person who works in hospitality industry.
So, as a chef in a cruise ship, my role involves preparing and cooking a wide variety of meals for both passengers and crew. I also ensure that all dishes meet high standard of quality, also the taste and presentation, because the following strict food, so I need also safety and hygiene guidance. So I also cater different dietary planning, daily menus that need to offer us a variety and cultural diversity. And also, in addition, I manage kitchen inventory, monitor also food cost, supervise junior kitchen staff, and also I work long hours in a fast-paced environment, and I will coordinate the food and beverage thing so that I can ensure their service. In addition, this is also nature of my job, and as I am also responsible for overseeing kitchen staff and ensuring the quality of food items. Also, my responsibility is to train the staff to cook dishes, expediting orders to maintain steady flow of dishes and creating dishes to add in the menu. And also, being a chef is the most creatively stimulating, time-demanding profession.
And the second question will be, what are the challenges you encountered while doing your job in hospitality industry?
As a chef, one of challenge I've encountered when I am on board is the working hours and also the physical demanding schedule, because we have only limited rest days, and also the fast-paced environment. We need to require preparing large volume of food quickly, especially during rush hour, or also when there have special events. Another challenge I've encountered is being far away from my loved ones, especially to my family, friends, relatives, and also you can miss the things that you can easily do when you are in a land. Living and working in the ship is living and working in a ship for a month is can give you mentally, physically, emotionally stress. And in addition, this is also a challenge I've experienced when I'm on board ship. Adapting to different passenger preference, dietary restriction, and also sudden menu changes requires flexibility and quick thinking. Managing limited storage space for ingredients, ensuring consistent supply, while sea can also be difficult. But despite of these challenges I've experienced, for me, it is rewarding and can helps me to build a strong culinary and teamwork skills.
And third question will be, how did you cope up with these challenges?
So I cope up those challenges I've experienced by developing strong time management and organizational skills, which helped me stay efficient during busy hours. I learned to stay calm under pressure, focus on teamwork, and communicate clearly with my kitchen staff to ensure smooth operation. Also, I need taking short breaks when possible, and maintaining a positive mindset also helped me manage stress. To deal with being away from home, I stayed connected with my family through regular video calls and built strong friendships with my fellow crewmates, and creating a support system on board. I also took advantage of rest days and port stop to relax, explore, and recharge. And also, embracing the unique experience of working at sea helped me stay motivated and enjoy my job despite the challenges.
And lastly, what advice you can give to our future tourism professionals?
So now on, let's proceed to the last question, which is what are the things that I've advised to the future tourism professionalism. So my advice to future tourism is to you need always stay passionate, flexible, and open to learning. The tourism industry is fast-paced and constantly changing, so it's important to be adaptable and ready to face challenges with a positive attitude. And also, we need good communication and customer service skills are need and essential, as you will be working with people from different cultures, different countries, and also the backgrounds. And so you need also always strive for excellence, whether you are working in a hospital, travel, or events. Be professional, dependable, and willing to go extra mile to have a guest. And also you should never stop learning and attend trainings, gain hands-on experience, stay updated with industry trends to grow and succeed in your career, and also just love your profession.
In conclusion, professional development is a vital aspect of career growth, enabling individuals to enhance their skills, stay updated with industry trends, and achieve their goals. By investing in ongoing learning and self-improvement, professionals can unlock new opportunities, boost their confidence, and reach their full potential. Through continuous learning and skill building, individuals can stay adaptable, innovative, and competitive in an ever-changing work environment, ultimately leading to greater job satisfaction, career advancement, and personal fulfillment.